Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna unbox my April Fab bag. So I already have done two videos on February Fab bag and March Fab bag, which I'm gonna link here one after one so that you can check, because I have explained everything in details there. But those who are new to my channel, I'm gonna brief you about what Fab bag is. So Fab bag is a monthly subscription bag where you get a bunch of products to try out, like 5 to 6 products to try out, and there is 1 month subscription, 3 months, 6 months and 12 month subscription. So you can choose accordingly, like you want 1 month subscription or 3, 6, 12, whatever. Now this is how the April Fab bag looks like the spring edition. So as I always say, I would highly recommend you purchasing Fab bag, not because they have sent it to me and I have to say good things about it, but you got to try out new products only at the price of rupees 599, and this is I'm talking about for 1 month subscription. So you get 5 to 6 products at the cost of 599 plus this very cute travel size bag, and at the price of rupees 599 you get to try the products that are worth rupees 1500 to 2000, which is amazing. So again, I love the bag. Let me give you a closer look of this. So it's like really cute. I love the color, and yes, the quality is always the best. So don't worry, I am going to review each and every product and show you what exactly these products are. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's dive into the video. Alright guys, now the first product that I have with me is this Organic Harvest Neem Face Wash. So I have already tried 2 or 3 products from Organic Harvest and I already love the brand so much, and believe me, this face wash is just so great. Now this face wash is formulated with neem, which makes sure to give clean and problem-free skin. It removes extra oil and impurities. It is paraben free. It is free from any other harmful chemical, and the fragrance is amazing, guys. I really love its fragrance and the feel of this face wash on my face. Alright, now the next product that I have with me is this Kiara Cosmetics Vitamin 3 Skin Mattifying Soothing Solvent. Now, initially when I checked this product, I was like very confused what this exactly is. Like I can see this is some gel kind of thing, so maybe it is like aloe vera gel or a mattifying gel that you apply on your face. But yeah, because this doesn't give proper explanation what exactly it is, then I studied how to use and then I got to know what this product actually is. So yeah, this is a bit confusing. This product is a blend of naturally hydrated pure vitamin 3 gel and glycerin that soothes, refresh and mattifies the skin. Like this is the product we all need for this summer, and this product is really apt for those who have oily and acne prone skin, because it mattifies the skin. It won't let the oil and sebum to come to your face. And now let me show you the texture of this product. So this is how the product looks like. It is just like a clear and transparent gel. I don't know, I heard that this product has some really strong fragrance, but it is not. I hope I can smell. Wait, I have to check. No, I can smell. I am okay. I am okay, guys. Like a very mild fragrance, like very mild. So yeah, I kind of really like this product. See, it has mattified. See? Like once you apply it, it doesn't mattify instantly, but yeah, when you leave it for a minute or so, it mattifies like completely. I don't feel like I have applied anything on my hand. Like nothing. And yeah, it feels refreshing and it gives a very cooling effect. So yes, I really love the product, but definitely it is not hydrating. Okay, so yeah, for oily and acne prone skin, this is the best product, I believe. But for dry skin, you have to layer one moisturizer and then apply this. Now the next product that I have with me is the Biore UV Aqua Rich Watery Essence Sunscreen, and this is SPF 50 plus and PA+++++. Now Biore, it is a Japanese brand, so yes, with Fab bag you got to try international and Indian brands. And what I really like about this sunscreen is it has a very creative and unique formulation. It offers even coverage for for the skin, and it has a very light and non-greasy formula, which I really love. I don't like greasy sunscreens, and it doesn't leave any white cast. Like, this is a savior. I don't like sunscreen that leaves white cast. I don't know, I don't like them. Wow, so can you see how hydrating this sunscreen is? And it has a very watery formula, like I already told you, creative and unique formulation, and the fragrance is very mild. So I always like my skincare products, like everything that I'm layering on my skin, I don't like them to smell strong. I can't bear that strong smell for my skincare products. So yeah, it has a very light fragrance and it is super hydrating. As you can see how glossy my skin is looking. So yeah, I really loved it. It's a nice product. Now the next product that I have with me is this Palmer's Coconut Charcoal Detoxifying Sheet Mask, and this is how the product looks like. Now this product will individually cost you for rupees 305, which is I think a bit expensive for a sheet mask. Now this face mask is formulated with natural activated charcoal from coconut husk to deeply exfoliate your skin. So I will definitely update you all on my Instagram, like I'll be using it. So yeah, I'm gonna update you there. So make sure you're following me on Instagram. Handle is right here on the screen. Now the next product that I have with me is this, the Soap Company Midnight Love Body Mist. So again, I was confused when I saw this. Like, just when I saw the bottle, I thought it is a toner, and then I read it because it is like really confusing. Nothing is mentioned over here, so it was difficult to understand. But then when I read how to use it, then I got to know it is a body mist. Wow, it is so good. It is so amazing. It is so refreshing. It is not overpowering. It is a very mild and soothing fragrance, which I really love. I'm really loving this fragrance. I can smell this all day long. It is that amazing. So again, let me apply some. It is amazing, guys. You must have to have this product. It is amazing for summers, and the fragrance is so awesome, guys. And now the last and my most favorite product of this April Fab Bag is this Sugar Cosmetics lipstick. This is their Wonder Woman lipstick. It is a newly launched, and it is a creamy matte lipstick, and I'm in the shade number 10 Legendary Lash. And let me show you the packaging first. Like, we must adore this packaging. I am always a fan of Sugar Cosmetics packaging. Like, I really love it. Now I haven't tried this color yet. I'm gonna do it in front of you. Guys, I'm really loving this quirky sugar packaging. I'm really loving this. Now I am amazed to see how beautifully the product glides onto the lips without tugging them. Whoa, oh my god, this color is so pretty, and guys, I really love the formulation. It is like super easy to apply, but let me tell you guys, this lipstick is priced at rupees 599, like 600, which is quite affordable, but you are getting this product along with 5 other products in this Fab Bag, which costs you for 599. So that's why I always say Fab Bag is not a bad deal at all. When you sum up the price of these products, they are around 1700 or 1800, but you are getting all these products at the price of rupees 599 with one travel size bag as well, which is like quite a good deal. Look at the color, yaar. Can we please take a minute and adore this color? Alright guys, so that's all with the products and that's all with the video. Now I'm gonna leave a coupon code on the screen and in my description box as well, that you can use to avail 10% discount on 3, 6 and 12 month subscription bag. This code is not valid for 1 month subscription, so you can go for 3, 6 and 12 month subscription. But if you want to try out how your experience with the Fab bag is, then you can totally go in with 1 month subscription. Just try their products out, just try their services out, and then opt for 3 or 6 or 12 month subscription. You can use my code. And yeah, that's it with this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you have any other query or recommendation, then do let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video.